Hi everyone, citing a website in APA format using Microsoft Word's built-in tool is straightforward. So first you need to open your Word document in Microsoft Word and then go to the Reference tab on the top ribbon. In the Citation and Bibliography group, click the drop-down menu next to the style and select the APA. It could be the 7th or 6th edition depending on your Word version. Now place your cursor where you want the in-text citation to be appeared. And now click on the Reference tab and click on the Insert Citation and click on the Add New Source. So in the Create Source dialog box, you need to change the type of source to the book to the website. Here it is, website. And in the author box, click on this, edit, and put the first name and last name. For example, last name is Jordan's and the first name is Mark. Click add or OK. Click corporate if it's an organization or company and remove this name to the, for example, BBC. And now put the name of the web page. For example, the title of the specific article is the best understanding about sleep hygiene. And the name of the website, for example, BBC Clinic. And put the year, for example, 2026. Month is the July and day is the 25th. And now go to the URL and copy it and place in the URL section. Make sure you need to put the full website address like this one. And now click OK to proceed. Word will automatically insert the formatted in-text citation such as BBC 2026. So once you have added all your source to the document, move your cursor to the end of your document or in a new page. And then again go to the Reference tab and click the Bibliography and choose the reference. So here you can see that Word will automatically generate a formatted APA reference entry for your website. If you add or edit source later, simply right click the reference list and select the update field like this one. There is a pro tip that if there is no publication date anywhere on the page, leave the year, month and day blank like this one and click OK. Yes, and click OK. And go back to the reference and click on this arrow and select again the reference. And here you can see that the word will display as ND for no date. I hope you understand how you can cite a website APA in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.